This is a paid advertisement for Mattel. Good day.
Goodbye.
And good Peter Piper picked a peppers.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's just preparing for the ultimate Blonkers tongue twist challenge battle royale.
Yeah.
So this is how it works. You're each gonna choose a header and you're gonna choose a tongue twister from that jar and you're gonna try to say it 3 times in 30 seconds. And if you do that, then you get a point. If you don't, you'll lose a point. And your turn.
And the player with the most tongue twisters correct is the ultimate Blonkers tongue twister champion.
That's a tough one to get through.
That is tough. That is tough.
Let's play!
So remember, you have 30 seconds to say the tongue twister 3 times correctly. Go ahead and pick one and then we'll start the clock.
What?
So you got one?
I have one, yes.
Start the clock!
Pirate's private property is properly pretty private for a pirate.
Oh.
No!
Private property is properly pretty private for a pirate.
Probably, not properly.
Oh, probably, yeah.
Okay, Vitalis, you have 0 points.
MAKANA's ruthless.
Yeah.
He's like,
I'll be honest.
all right, it's MAKANA's turn. Good luck. You need it.
Start the clock! Ukrainian unicorns yodel Yiddish, yet usually ukuleles use YAKS. That was bad. Ah!
Okay.
No.
0-0.
0-0, possibly a point if you get this right.
Let's make that a
Go ahead,
definitely a point.
Start the clock!
This is taking time. Frankly, Frank named. Dang it!
It's over. It's my turn again.
All right,
Okay,
because you both
my
lose.
turn again.
Start the clock.
Pocket watches is pocket popped with pure purpose.
Ooh.
Pocket watches is pocket popped with pure purpose. Pocket watches is pocket popped with pure purpose. No, I did it. No, I got it out. I did.
We'll give him a point.
Yeah.
Start the clock! Singing song softly, so sounds resound and sound sweetly. Singing song softly, so sounds resound and sound sweetly. Singing song softly, so sound resound and sound sweetly.
Yay!
Yes! Start the clock!
Mr. Moose makes money making magic markers massively marvel. Mr. Moose makes money making magic markers massively marvel. Mr. Moose makes money making magic markers massively marvel.
You get a point.
Hey parents.
Each of the glasses come with 1 header. Unless you buy the bundle pack, which is online, then you get 2 pairs of glasses and 4 headers.
And you want to try them all.
And you want to try them all, they're
Especially
awesome.
this princess one.
Everybody has a point, and we're going to the 3rd round.
Okay, it's my turn.
Start the clock.
Whether wild winked walnuts want
No, you said
withered. Oh!
Yeah.
What did I say?
You said winked.
Everyone has 1 point. Okay, start the clock.
Willie willingly waited while Winnie willingly I lost.
Whale.
Now it's my turn.
Start the clock!
An aquatic acrobat adopted an effect affixing an Amazon ant farm. An aquatic acrobat adopted an effect affixing an Amazon ant farm. An aquatic acrobat adopted an effect affixing an Amazon ant farm.
So, going into round 4, Jetta has 2 points. Congratulations. MAKANA has 1 point, and Vitaly has 1 point.
Vitaly and MAKANA has 1 point.
Yeah.
Because they made a mistake.
Exactly.
And we're sorry for it. Okay, wait, before I do this, can I just say that Blonkers makes every game like so much more fun and addictive?
I know.
Okay, start the timer.
Picky Polly picked a pair of plaid pears. Picky Polly picked a pair of plaid pears. Picky Polly picked a pair of pears. Ah! I thought I had it in paper down. I was like, done, easy.
Start the timer. 10 ticklish twisters taught 2 twitching twins 20 tough tango trots.
Tango!
I'm gonna say tango.
All right, Jetta's up.
Start the timer.
Okay, Debbie dabs on Derrick's adorned doorstep.
Oh, there was an S in there. Adorned. It's adorned.
So, the tally is 1 point. MAKANA has 1 point. Jetta has 2 points.
Yeah.
And now we're going on to round 5.
Start the clock.
I had this one in the bag. Jan jumps joyfully jamming on her Jimmy Jam tambourine. Jan jumps joyfully jamming on her Jimmy Jam tambourine. Jan jumps joyfully jamming on her Jimmy Jam tambourine. Spike! Yeah! Oh.
Okay, go ahead, MAKANA.
Makana's gonna lose.
Whoa! You're supposed to be a non-partial judge.
Bowling balls bounce beneath the beach's boardwalk. Bowling balls bounce beneath the beach's boardwalk. Bowling balls bounce beneath the beach's boardwalk.
Like a mouse.
We're tied across the board.
Yeah.
Either I get this one and the game's over, or we go into a 3-person showdown.
Start the timer.
Sarah saw a shiny shop of shoes, so she shined her shoes to be as shiny as the shoes in the shop.
Oh, man.
Sarah
Faster.
saw a shiny shop of shoes, so she shined her shoes to be as shiny as the shoes in the shop. Sarah saw a shiny shop of shoes, so she shined her shoes to be as shiny as the shoes in the shop.
Oh my gosh!
Jen is the winner.
Thank you to Mattel for sponsoring this video and helping us create it.
Okay, Brandy, we've been doing a bunch of tongue twisters and looking real silly ourselves. How about Poe, run this one over to Brandy. How about you do this one?
We
Let's
do look
see
alike.
What she
Thank you.
does.
Bubbling baboons better be betting because, what's that word? How many points do I get?
10.
No.
I win.